Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Facebook Ad Library and choosing the correct country and ad category. This primes the results. Once done, type precise brand or product keywords and apply filters for active ads and recent date ranges so you see current winners. Make sure to sort or scan for ads that run continuously for at least 7 days. Sustained runtime signals a tested winner. You're doing this to surface products with proven traction rather than one-off spikes. Now you dig into the middlework, analyze the creative and on-page signals. Look at video hooks, what appears in the first 3 seconds, and whether the CTA is clear. Short, punchy intros often win. Also compare variations from the same advertiser to infer they're A/B tests. Repeated themes mean winners. Then view the landing page. Price, guarantees, and social proof reveal business viability. You do this to connect creative with conversion mechanics, not just impression. Finish by validating the candidate product before committing ad spend. You cross-check seller frequency, inventory signals, and on-site reviews to confirm demand. Once validated, set up saved searches and repeat monitoring so you catch creative pivots or ad retirements. If you find too little data, broaden keywords or extend the date range to 30 to 90 days. This often uncovers steady performers. If something still looks off, pause, rerun filters, and re-examine landing pages for tracking or geo issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.